And today, special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send us this KOOTION 64 gigabyte USB-C flash drive. You can see there, KOOTION, I think that's how you'd say that. This is the U600, a 64 gigabyte silver flash drive. This has a unique 2-in-1 design, as you can see. One side can be for regular USB, which is known as USB-A, and this is USB-C, like the iPhone has. So let me, let's just tear into this. There we go. Nice. So this is the little flash drive, and what's really cool and unique is this top here is, of course, for a keychain or a necklace if you wanted to do that, and then you can just easily rotate it however you need. So like me, I'm a Mac user, so I would need the USB-C side. I could go from Mac to Mac and use stuff, but if I needed to copy something from my Windows computer that doesn't have USB-C, I can use USB-A, plug it in, get the file, take it out of my PC, flip it around, and plug it in with USB-C into my Mac. That'll essentially do it, though, for the unboxing of this KOOTION 64 gigabyte silver USB-C flash drive. Thanks again to the company who was nice enough to send this to me. Thank you all for watching this unboxing. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.